Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Means we have born and brought up here. Our father was here, my grandfather was here. So we are here, born and brought up. I feel we are more Goans. We know Goa very well, and where we stay, also we know properly of that village or whatever. And I feel anybody can contest anywhere. It is a fundamental rights. And recently, if you have seen in Goa and Vasco, one boy from Vasco has won in London. He has become councillor there. And in Goan can go there and become a councillor. There you can get him elected. Why we cannot contest and get elected in Goa in panchayat or any assembly? It is our right. And also now Goans and outsiders. Now Aam Aadmi Party has come, you have accepted. TMC has come, you have accepted. So there are many parties outside and come here, you accepted. So what is the problem in Kannadigas? And when I was in Sangwal Panchayat as Sarpanch 2 times, you see my work, you can ask the villagers. I am the first person to put the CCTV cameras in the office, even the cabin of Sarpanch, to isolate the corruption. And also, I rejected Marina because of the people say